Good morning. Today is May 19th, 2016. I'm Gabriela Solano and I'm in Ms. Cameron's 4th grade class.
I'm Alicia Ortiz and I am in Ms. Cameron's 4th grade class. We are on Special Days 4.
Good morning, Kimberly Panthers. This is Mr. Sally welcoming you to another day of teaching and learning at Kimberly Elementary School. I want to be the first to say you are special and loved, and I am so glad to be your principal. I have a couple of things I want to talk to you about. First, how many of you out there know how many AR points you have? If not, make sure you ask your teacher, how many AR points do I have? And make sure that every night you are reading books every day so that way you can come back to school the next day and take your AR tests. At the same time, you should also be earning those Class Dojo points. Because you know what? One of the rewards on the Class Dojo point is Principal for the Day. I know I'd love to be Principal for the Day. Hey, wait a minute. I already am. Boys and girls, you should be earning those Class Dojo points, earning those AR points, getting those Kacha tickets, turning them into the office for our drawing, and that will ensure that you can be the best you that there is. That's all I have to say for today, but I wanted to make sure you tune in to the rest of the announcements for all the wonderful happenings here at Kimberly Elementary School. And remember, you are special and loved, and I am so glad to be your principal.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Let us now say the school pledge. Today I will make the choice to have a good day. I'll strive to be the best I can be. I respect all of those fellow students and myself. I'm accountable for my words and my actions. It is my responsibility to learn something new. I intend to learn and a part to serve. I'm a proud Kimberly student. Let us now say the no place for hate promise. I promise to do my best to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind to everyone, even if they are not like me. If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell a teacher. Everyone should be able to feel safe and happy in school. I want our school to be no place for hate. Please pause for quiet reflections.
Thank you. You may be seated. The L.O. Kimberly character word is productive. A synonym for productive is constructive.
Your choices for lunch today are All-American Burger, Spicy Black Bean Wrap, Chef Salad with Roll, Sweet Potato Waffle Fries, Steamed Broccoli, Fresh Oranges.
And now for a few words of wisdom.
Good morning, Kimberly Elementary School. This is Mrs. Saunders with a few words of wisdom. The following is a true story. Once upon a time, there was a family, a husband, a wife, and their 2 children. They lived in a small house with only 1 bedroom. They loved each other and took care of each other, and though it was crowded, they thought they were very rich because their house was filled with love. One day, the children grew up and married and had children of their own. Every winter holiday, they returned to the small cottage. At bedtime, the 1 bed, the overstuffed chair, and the sofa were full. The floors were filled with sleeping bags. Still, the family loved each other and thought they were very, very rich. Why on earth did they think they were rich? After all, they lived in such a tiny little house. They were wise enough to understand this old German proverb: love can turn a cottage into a golden palace. Today, remember that love is what makes a person truly wealthy. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Saunders. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours.
The great school bus race is underway. Will your bus be the next to earn a prize? Are you helping your bus earn a score of 4 or 5 each day? The choices you make on the bus will help your bus be the winner.
Please mark your calendar for these important dates. May 19th, Dental Van. May 20th, AR Store. May 24th at 8:30 a.m., grades K-2 awards program in the gym. May 24th at 10 a.m., grades 3 and 4 awards program in the gym. May 24th at 6 p.m. at Darrell High School 5th grade award program. May 25th, last day of school.
Textbook collection will begin Monday, May 23rd. A schedule has been sent to your email. Kindergarten textbook collection will begin today. Students continue looking for all Media Center books and return them to the Media Center. Happy birthday to our Kimberly students who are celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Lashaya and Bethany.
Be sure to stop by the main office to get a birthday pencil from Mr. Sally.
Happy birthday. Have a thrilling Thursday at LO Kimberly Elementary School. And remember, be respectful, be responsible, be ready, and be safe.